Kitty. Ang gawa mo dyan. Alis ka dyan. Oh, naghihilamos si Kitty, oh. Tulak mo si Kitty, dali. Kitty, Kitty.
Mama, I want to too.
Alis ka dyan. Ang pangit mo. Oh. Tulak mo. Oh, ayan, kinakalabit ka. Bakit pa atras yan? Pata atras, di marunong magbike. Atara, ano ba yan? Pastor, oh. Tara, Pastor. Si Kitty lang naman ang kinukunan ko eh. Hello, Kitty. Mimi. Meow. 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 Tuwan-tuwa si Kitty dun sa kaya ni Atara.
Mama, maybe fine. Maybe Kitty.
Oo, don't touch.
No, maybe.
Mimi. Mimi. Look at me, Mimi. Wow. Si Miming malambing. Kalaro ni Baby Tara. Gusto lagi nakasakay doon sa may bike.
Hi, Mimi. Hi, baby. Go? Yeah. Let's go. I know. I will go. You will go.
Ingay mo naman na.
I do this. Oh.
Oh, off lotion?
Hey,
Mimi,
Daddy.
off lotion ka daw. Pagdating ka ng lamok.
Kitty. Okay.
Kitty, basahin mo daw. Off lotion. Si Tara makulit. Oh, oh. Oh. Ayun na.
Hello, I'm the people from the mission. Hello, I'm David in the mission.
What?
Hello, I'm in the mission.
Kumaintindihan?
Hello, I'm the Pete. You are the